If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages on Samsung Galaxy A27, then the answer is yes and no. So if you go to Google Messages app, and if you decide to delete a specific message or specific messages, so let's say I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna select a couple of messages that I want to delete. If you try to do that, then over here we can read that this action cannot be undone, so it is permanent. If you delete individual messages, they are gone forever, and you cannot recover them. But on the other hand, if you decide to remove a whole conversation or a whole chat, then in that case, this chat is moved to bin for 30 days or trash, which means that you have 30 days to recover that deleted conversation. You can tap on your Google account here in the upper right corner and go to bin or trash. And of course, now over here you should be able to select whatever you want to recover and then use this clock with an arrow. And there we go. And we have restored a whole conversation. So, of course, you can recover chats with messages, but if you delete individual messages, unfortunately, you will not be able to recover that. And in addition to that, this might change in the future because not so long ago, it was not possible to recover chats either. So when using Google Messages, you couldn't really recover anything at all after deleting. So now you can actually recover chats, and maybe in the future there's going to be an update that will allow us to recover individual messages as well. But for now, it is not possible. Of course, instead of using Google Messages, you can also use the Samsung Messages app, which actually has the option to recover deleted messages. So if you really care about having the option to recover the individual messages, then of course you can just switch to Samsung Messages, which you can get from the Samsung Galaxy store over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.